I can only imagine how hot it was working in this room. Especially during summer.
Can you imagine an Arizona summer in a metal building in the middle of the desert with no air conditioning?
Metal would be hot.
With a giant diesel engine running? It must have been miserable to work in here, wasn't it?
That was for sure. Oh, how did you guys like the monsoon season?
You can have it.
Did you guys have a lot of trouble moving the equipment in here? Well then. I'm just curious on how you maneuvered all of this heavy equipment into this room. How was that done?
What did you hear?
Laughing.
Did you guys use like a rope and pulley system? But how did you get it from point E to in here?
Paid us.
What was it?
Paid us.
Paid us.
How much did you guys get paid? Was it like $5? $10?
Nothing.
Did you guys use tractors?
Were you an outside crew that just came to bring it here and then left?
Who's that in reference to? Him. Who's him? This guy?
Let's say point.
Yeah, but it also said asshole, so I said who. And they didn't say anything. I said, this guy? And they didn't say anything.
Look. I'm looking. What do you want me to see?
Who's me? That darn voice keeps coming through over and over again, and it sounds like the one who identified himself as Jack. And the Bluetooth's going off. I just heard Frank again. So are you guys in reference to an employee named Frank? Or is it Damien? Or is it his dad? Or is it the Frank that belongs to me? Really?
Kevin.
We've had Kevin come through a few times. So out of curiosity, the gentleman that watches over South Vulture, who wears the hat, the Shadow, does he have a name?
The spirit we call the Shadow Man. What is his name?
Shadow.
He likes to get a shadow. Is there more than one person, like a job?
We would like to know what his name is instead of referencing him as the Shadow. We'd like to know his name so we can refer to him by name. Just came back and said, I told you.
I'm sorry if you told us we didn't hear it.
We're doing the best we can by listening with our own ears. We are so sorry if we didn't hear it. Hi. Huh?
Was it Hi or Mike?
Could be either one. Hi.
Leave a comment below what you think that was, if that was Mike or Hi.
So do you just like shadow?
Us.
You got it. I just.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me. Getting late. There's Jeff again.
All right, well, we're going to have to wrap things up. We would like to thank all of you for communicating with us tonight.
Thank you. Nice to meet everybody.
And we would like to know when is a good time for us to come back here to this building to investigate further. Hey Jeff, is it good if we come back later? We're in the wrong building for that.
Yeah.
So it said what I thought it said.
Good sense
In
of
order
humor.
to do that, we have to go to the brothel.
It said Schmetz.
Snacks, I have snacks.
Schmetz. The algorithm, you gotta be careful.
Oh. Did I hear earlier correctly a few minutes ago, SP?
All right, well,
Okay guys, in order for us to get everything going, I'm going to shut this spirit box down. So thank you.